Oldest daughter says, hey, Dad, let's take the GTX out. I want to take the new GTX. I said, all right, let's take the GTX out. I put on a few hours on it, earlier that week. I said, what the hell, let's take it out. So we go out, and I download the BRP app onto my phone and got my USB cord and blah, blah, blah. I was all ready to go. I couldn't get the damn thing to work. Dash kept saying, don't read your phone. Can't read your phone. Couldn't get the sound system to work, even just on Bluetooth. And I fought it for about 10 minutes. I even had corporate. I was even texting corporate. I'm like, I'm sending them screenshots. I'm like, what the hell am I doing wrong? I got everything hooked up. I did everything I'm supposed to do that I've done before. Is this one broken? And they're like, no, man. This is the one that we did all of our photo shoots with. This is the GTX that you see in all the pictures. I'm like, okay, then I don't understand. And they're like, we don't either. And I sat there, and it was so funny was that I was screwing with the phone, and I was getting frustrated. And I was just like, oh my gosh. And I'm sitting there idling in the shade, and my 12-year-old daughter's like, can we just go? And I was like, what? And she goes, I don't need music. Let's just go. And I was like, well, this is a $20,000 ski, and I should have this. And she goes, Dad, I don't care. Let's just go ride. And I had my phone in my hand, and I went, oh my gosh, you're right. Put it in the glove box. I turned it off, put it in the glove box, closed it up, romped on the gas. It's a 300 horsepower jet ski. Go ride. Go have fun. It's a beautiful day outside, and I'm farting around for 10 minutes on my stupid phone, trying to get the damn phone to work with the GPS, and I was like, what was I thinking? And out of the mouth of a 12-year-old girl came the most pure logic. Was, I don't need this to enjoy jet skiing, Dad. Let's go. Oh, you're right. Yeah. Oh, click. Where was my brain on that? I was so bent out of shape. I was so bent. And my daughter's like, Dad, I just want to go jet skiing. Let's just go on the lake. It's a beautiful day on the lake. Let's go play. And it took me like another 10 minutes to chill out. Because I'm in the mindset of someone who bought this thing. I'm in the mindset of someone who's waited months. Their ski's been waiting in a dealership. They paid the extra dollar for, the extra big bucks for the tech package, and they've paid all this stuff, and they've downloaded the app, and they've downloaded the Waves app, and they've downloaded this app, and blah, 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 and they got all this crap, and they're not enjoying themselves. They're pissed off at their ski. And I'm like, I've lost the script. I've totally missed the point of this toy. And I'm like, okay. I fell in the trap. I fell in the trap. I fell in the trap. And here's the problem. We get so wound up with the conveniences and so wound up and all the bells and whistles that we lose sight of what the priority is. And what's the priority? I'm getting out of the house. I'm getting out of the office. And I'm hitting the lake. And I'm going to feel the wind on my face and the sun on my shoulders and listen to the wind blow past my ears and listen to the roar of that engine and just ride. And I'm like, oh, man. That's a problem. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.